In this video, I'll show you how to change the location on a Facebook post step by step. If you've added the wrong location or want to update it, you can edit your post in just a few taps. First, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Go to your profile or Facebook page and find the post whose location you want to change. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the post, then select Edit Post. If the post already has a location, tap the current location to remove or replace it. Next, tap Check-in or Add Location, depending on your app version. Use the search bar to find the new location you want to add, then select it from the list of results. Once you've chosen the correct location, review your post to make sure everything looks right. Finally, tap Save or Update to apply the changes. Your Facebook post will now display the new location. If you don't see the option to edit the location, it may not be available for that post type or your app version. Make sure you're using the latest version of the Facebook app for the newest features. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.